Hi everyone, it's Lytham from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I have a quick video walk around of this brand new Civic Sport. Now of course these have only been out a few months now, and obviously they are still a very popular car at least. This has won 2 awards from Parker's, which is obviously New Car of the Year Awards 2022. But it does come with LED daytime running lights, front fog lights and front parking sensors. It also comes with these gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels as standard. On the Advance you do get the diamond cut alloys, however they are still a very bonny looking wheel. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can all get an idea of what sort of design pattern the wheels do have. But walking around the rear, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a reversing camera just up top there, as you can see. In the boot, same as the previous generation, we do have the pull-over privacy shelf just here, which just unhooks and then reclines back into there. We've also still got the 12-volt power outlet in the boot as well. We've still got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. The seats do fold flat with that level just there though. Walking around the rear again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we do have part cloth, part leather and Isofix mounting points at the bottom. This does come factory on the Civic Sport. We've got electric automatic windows all around as well. Full keyless entry and keyless start, which is why you can obviously hear the bleeping in the background. It is because I do have the key in my pocket. We've got a brake hold with electric handbrake. We've got your drive select just here. You do have the 3 options, which are Econ, Normal and Sport. We've then got your eCVT gearbox just here. Wireless phone charger, this comes factory in this car and the Advance. We've then got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats. And of course Honda have integrated this brilliant honeycomb styling across the dashboard, which does give a really nice feeling inside the cockpit. It's more refined. Moving over to the central display now, you'll notice that we do, let's turn the brightness up so you can see it as well. We've obviously still got the 10-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, FM, Bluetooth audio, Apple Carplay, Android Auto. The exact same features as what the previous generation had, just more updated and obviously more stylish on the entire display. Over on the steering wheel, we've got your audio track select at the top, your volume just here, and your onboard computer settings here with voice control. On the right, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right. And then obviously your automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. There's a quick look of the display. Of course, I am using a demonstrator just to show you what the instrument cluster is like. As I was saying earlier, you have Econ, Normal mode and Sports mode and Individual, where you can obviously configure everything through on here. So you have the options, I'll just show you now, customize on there. You can see that if you want your own personal settings, you can have the steering on normal or sport, and you can also change the powertrain between Econ, normal and sport as well. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy now. If you do of course require any further information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.